What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Brian Felix here, bringing you guys another video. I already know what time it is. Today we have two vehicles in the morning, right? And we are actually here now. So I have a big pickup truck and then I have a smaller sedan size car. So we're gonna go ahead and I can barely talk right now. So we're gonna go ahead and detail both these cars here, and then if I have time, I'll be able to detail another car. And the person just wants the outside polish and stuff like that on the Honda Civic, I believe. So for these two cars that are right behind me, so we have this truck there, I am probably gonna charge $150. They're like on my maintenance plan, so we're just gonna charge that truck there $150, and then they have a small Mercedes Benz that I'm gonna charge $100 for. So $250 for the first stop, and then later on hopefully we'll be able to make $250 more for $500 for the day. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get out the van and get set up and stuff, because it's currently 8:43, and I came here a little early because I come here all the time and I already know what the deal is. They're gonna have stuff in the car, there's gonna be pet hair, so I just wanted to get a little head start because any difference in time makes a huge difference. So I'm gonna just go ahead and set up, get everything, kind of, full, get the water buckets full, make sure that everything is full and ready to go, so that way by 9 I can already be like, somewhat getting started with the interior on this pickup truck. So without further ado, enjoy the video, sit back, relax. I don't know what it is today, I can't even talk. Sit back, relax, enjoy the video, and I'll catch you guys on the detail. Let's go. Alright, so we have some loud dogs barking in the background, so just please excuse me for that. But anyways, we had a Mercedes-Benz that used to be here, but they actually traded it in for this Honda Accord here. So it's not really too bad inside here. Probably knock this out really fast. She needs it back by a certain time, so I need to hurry up and get on it. Time is currently, damn, I'm about to break the door. Time is currently like 8:40 or 8:50 something. Yeah, I'm gonna just take these out right now. Just pressure wash them off. It's kind of drizzling, so there's like water everywhere. But hopefully it doesn't rain any worse than what it is already. So yeah, this one will be a quick detail. Quick $100. So basically 50 outside, 50 inside. It's not too bad. I like to prep the interior before I start on the outside, just so when it's time to start the vacuum and stuff, I could just get to it. And the way I prep it is by taking out everything, pushing stuff forward so I can start from the back, move my way forward. Alright, so before I start detailing this car, I like to, post on my Instagram page. And I know I'm not wearing my Mendez merch right now. Kind of dirty, I need to do laundry. But we're rocking Odie's Soul and Suave. Shout out to my brother, he does meal plans. He's a fitness coach, so shout out to him. So anyways, I like to record for my Instagram page, so that's what we're about to do right now. And it's very important that you guys are posting the process and what you're doing. Even if you're making reels, videos, taking pictures, whatever, just make sure you're putting yourself out there so other people see that you're, a detailer and you know what you're doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a few videos and pictures, and then we're gonna go ahead and get started on the wheels. So another important tip, right? So if you are gonna record, these dogs are just not playing right now. So if you are gonna record, try to record the last thing you do, the last section, right? So whenever I record from my story or I'm recording a reel, I'll do, my first 3 tires, and then on my last one, I'll record, just because I'm gonna move a little slower and I don't wanna start slow, right? So I wanna go ahead and record the last tire that I do with my phone, but my camera's just gonna pick up everything. But if I'm recording with my phone, I wanna make sure that I record the last tire, so that way I'm not slowing my process down. Just a little tip. All right, so it's currently 9:34. Took us about 20 minutes to wash this car. I didn't do any tire shine or wax or anything yet because I'm gonna leave that for last. I'm gonna just go ahead and start with the interior. I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum that out, and you guys saw me blow out everything in between, like the cracks and crevices, just kind of like letting it drip down. And then I'll go ahead and follow up with a towel with some sealant and then just wipe them off, because I did spray ceramic coating on the exterior. So you guys see it, looks good. It wasn't too bad to begin with, but we're gonna go ahead and start with the interior and knock out the vacuum, because that's probably gonna be the longest. That, you know, whatever takes me the longest is probably gonna be the vacuum. So whenever I'm detailing, right, I noticed that the two biggest things that take time is washing the vehicle and vacuuming the car, right? Detailing doesn't take too much time, at least in my perspective. It doesn't take too much time to detail the car. So as long as you go ahead and vacuum and wash the car, you're pretty much already like 90% finished with the car. Then the last thing is just detailing windows, door jambs, and wheels. And then if you're going to go ahead and add some wax, you could do that. But like I said, majority of the time that, you know, you will spend will be on the vacuuming portion or the washing. So we just took 20 minutes on the outside, 9:36, and hopefully we can finish around 10:30 with this car, because, you know, everything is a process. We still have to dress these out. I dried them up with the blower, but they still need to be dressed and shined up. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and set up my tripod so you guys can see me vacuuming. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the video so far. We sprayed some of this Shock It by Majestic Solutions on the exterior and used it as our drying aid. And I'm gonna go ahead and drink some water because I'm thirsty. Got my gallon here. Y'all see it? Gallon a day, man. Gallon a day keeps the pain away. Alright, you too, so we just finished the Accord, looking nice and clean. Wheels are shined up and clean. Paint is nice and glossy, wet like water. Damn. Yeah, she's shining for sure. Go ahead and show y'all the interior real quick. It's actually 10:58. I don't know why it's not focusing, but I'm pretty sure you guys can see it's 10:59 now. But finished at 11 basically. Interior all done, looking nice and clean. I ran out of air freshener, so unfortunately I don't have any to put in this car, but I did order some, so I should have some coming in. They just always take so long to get here. So yeah, man, that's that Shock It doing the work on the shine. Look at that. That ceramic coating spray wax. So now we're gonna go ahead and do this truck behind me here. And excuse me, I'll probably just leave it where it's at right there. So hopefully it's unlocked so I can just get started on it. But I'll probably just start on the outside because it's a big truck and it'll probably take most time on the outside. So take these out, rinse them off. Y'all know the basics. You guys, so we just finished up the Silverado here. The time is currently 12:59, so we finished right at 1. And it's supposed to rain here shortly, so I don't know if I'm gonna make it to my next client. I don't know if I'm gonna make it to the next one. If I do, then it'll probably be a separate video, because I'm gonna end the video here with these two vehicles. So we did this one there, did a maintenance detail. We just sprayed our bead maker on the exterior, and then we did the exterior on the Honda Accord over there as well, and we did our ceramic spray wax. Kind of the same thing, but that one's new to me, so I added ceramic. This one I've done before, so I just added a little bit of enhancement on the exterior. So here's a look at the truck. These wheels are nice, man. I love those wheels. Came out looking good, nice and shiny. I didn't get to record the entire process just because I wanted to make sure I didn't, you know, get rained on if it does happen to rain. So I just wanted to finish it up real quick. So we did, knocked it out. I'm sorry my short self can't show you the entire truck, but y'all see it. And then there goes the Accord over there. So we got the van warming up for us. It's kind of cold. Like I said, it might rain, so I'll keep you guys posted. Hustle never settle. I'll catch you guys in the next video, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Let's go.